Okay, I've got a cool secondhand find here. I'm looking at what I believe to be a Victorinox Soldier model that I picked up secondhand at a outdoor sporting goods store not far from where I live. They keep a nice little selection of used knives. I believe this is a Soldier model and not a Pioneer because there's no stitching hole in the awl. It is stamped with the year of manufacture, which is 97. And it doesn't have the regular Victorinox logo on it. This thing's super snappy. Nice strong springs. And I got it for 26 bucks. If I'm wrong about the model number or the model name, correct me in the comments. Thanks for watching.